pizza ever. Choose a friend to deliver a pizza to. The wolves. What pizza does your friend want? Margarita. Put the necessary items into the basket. Tomatoes, olive oil. Perfect. Halfway through. Basil. Well done. Cheese. You're doing great. Well done. You've collected all the ingredients to make some pizza. Let's cut it good. We need to grate this. Tear off all the leaves. Great! The ingredients sauce for our pizza. Now, mix the sauce. Hurrah! The sauce is... Let's make some dough. Good. The dough is ready. Now let's mix everything. Let's flatten it now. Hurrah! It's starting to look like a pizza. Now it's time for topping. Awesome! The pizza is almost ready. Now, let's pop the pizza in the oven. Just a little left. Looks like it's over there. Let's find our friend's house. Hurrah! You found him. Let's hurry to our friend. Watch out! A snowdrift ahead. Watch out! There's a gap ahead. We need to build a bridge. Watch out! January needs help. Let's help them decorate the door to the middle. Watch out! Hard candy wall ahead. Hurrah! We've arrived. Our friends, cut the pizza in slices. Now, give everyone a slice. Well done. Everyone's full and happy. Tap the present to hurrah! You've got new pizza ingredients.